Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring Yak.ca, a Canadian-based telecommunications provider. Yak offers mobile phone plans, internet services, and home phone options. Their focus is on providing affordable and flexible plans, particularly for budget-conscious consumers. They offer a variety of prepaid and postpaid mobile plans with varying data allowances, talk minutes, and text messaging options. This allows customers to tailor their plan to their specific needs and usage patterns. Yak emphasizes no contract options, giving users the freedom to switch plans or providers without penalty. They also provide a range of add-ons like international calling and data roaming packages. For internet service, Yak leveraged existing infrastructure to provide DSL and cable internet connections, depending on availability in your area. They aim to deliver competitive speeds and reliable service at a lower price point than some larger providers. Home phone services are also available, with features like voicemail and call forwarding, allowing customers to bundle their services for potential cost savings. Yak's website provides detailed information on coverage areas, plan options, and pricing. They also offer online support and customer service resources to assist with account management and technical issues. Yak aims to differentiate themselves through their commitment to transparent pricing, flexible plans, and no contract options. They market themselves as a cost-effective alternative to larger telecommunications companies, particularly appealing to individuals and families seeking budget-friendly communication solutions. Remember to check their website directly for the most up-to-date information on plans and availability in your region.